Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the fourth or fifth video on making this lamp. And if you haven't watched it, if you want to watch them, I painstakingly moved from this to this so they would go downhill. So I started at the top, and I showed a couple of ways to do it. And one of my viewers is actually from a Spanish-speaking country, I do not know where, asked me why I didn't use the blend tool. So I've got two of these. I've got the bottom one and I've got the top one. And I think it'd be helpful if you had them in the same alignment. So if you select both of them and hit B, so it'd put it at the bottom so they'd be equal. And while they're both selected, go up to Effects, Blend, and tell it you want 40 of them, and hit Apply, and it did it automatically instead of having to move those down. I haven't not checked it yet, but I believe it's right, so we're going to check it right now. I'm going to take a 2-point line from that node to that node, and they are dead on. So it worked. I was a little bit concerned that it might change other things, but since they're both equal, you know, my little cutouts are equal, the only thing it's changing is the fact that it's is this shape, and I missed that node. So let's take the shape tool and put that node on that node, and now you can see that line is going downhill equally and perfectly. So that saved a lot of time, especially I'm thinking this is when I make this and redraw it, I think I'm going to do it with 60. I might have to make my circles a little bit more. So this would save you a lot of time to do 60 of them. Anyway, so I thank that viewer, and I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.